a picture of me. Ah, stop!
Yes!
No! Yes! No! Yes!
I hate you!
I'm gonna kill you.
Your mother's such a...
Guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Mary.
And I'm Izzy.
And today we're going to be playing the Siri Vs Alexa Pick Some Slime Ingredients Challenge! Episode 2. So we made this video like 3 years ago.
We're going to be playing Siri versus Alexa Picks My Slime Ingredients.
And you guys have been commenting for an episode 2. So we're going to do it, guys. And I'm super excited. And I'm going to be Siri again.
And I'm going to be Alexa again. Sorry, Siri, but Alexa is way better, in my opinion.
And guys, Alexa got fat. Hey Alexa, you got fat.
Just like you, Izzy.
It roasted you, bro.
But seriously, Alexa, you're fat. Look how big this is. It's like a whole circle, but she's like part plastic, and then here's the speaker. So, you know how this works. We have numbers that we're going to ask them to pick 1 through 10. And
Mary, put them backwards!
what do you mean? 1, 10. Okay, Siri, who should go first?
I'm not sure I understand.
okay, Alexa, who should go first?
Izzy, I always pick Izzy. Sorry, Mary.
Alexa, are you sure?
Okay, Mary, go first. Izzy farts a lot.
Oh, I'm going first.
Alexa, you're supposed to be on my team.
Okay. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 10.
The answer is 5. Random number between 1 and 15 is 5.
Ooh, okay, I got a green political.
Alexa, pick a number 1 through 10.
A random number is 3.
3. Okay.
Lucky I wanted that one.
I almost spilled it on Alexa.
Okay. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 10.
The answer is 2.
Oh, okay, this one's not that bad.
Hey Alexa,
Green.
pick a number 1 through 10.
A random number is 5.
That means you get nothing. It's my turn.
No. Hey Alexa, pick
No,
a random.
no. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 10.
It's 6.
This one. Oh, pink. Okay. Hey Siri, did I introduce you to your opponent, Alexa? Say hi to Alexa.
Alexa, say hi.
Hello.
I'm not sure I understand.
Alexa, do you know Siri?
Only by reputation.
Alexa, say hi to Siri.
Hi.
Siri, say hi to Alexa.
Hello.
Alexa, say hi.
Hi there.
Aw, they're best friends. They used to not want to talk to each other.
Can I ask it a question?
Sure.
Okay. Hey Alexa, who is Izzy?
According to Wikipedia, Izzy was the official mascot of the Atlanta 1990 Summer Olympics.
It doesn't know who you are.
What is it?
Oh, really? Alexa, who is Mary?
Mary is an annoying little fucker.
Oh my god! You just got roasted! Alexa, pick a number 1 through 10.
A random number is 7.
Okay, here we go. I got some yellow glue. I found my Siri.
Okay. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 2.
It's 2.
Dang it. I already have 2. Go.
You cheated!
I'm fine.
No,
Hey, Siri,
no, you
pick
don't get
a
another
number
turn.
1 through 10.
You don't get another turn. Alexa, pick a number 1 through 10.
Here's a number between 1 and 10. It's 1.
Mary just picked 1.
I tried to get 3.
Alexa, I love you.
Thanks for saying I love you.
Bro, it's my turn.
You're just
Alexa, stop. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 10.
It's 3.
I have.
I think Siri
That's
loves you.
4.
Ask her. I have 3.
Hey Siri, I love you.
I think you're pretty great too.
What's this? Alexa loves me. Alexa, I love you.
Thanks for saying I love you.
It's not saying I love you too. It's just saying thank
It's
you.
saying
I'll be here for you.
No, it's never saying the word I love you because it doesn't actually love you. Let's add in our glues from round 1. Ooh. You still got glue coming out of it?
some glue on Siri.
Hey Siri, what is slime?
Here's some information.
It doesn't even say. It just shows you a picture.
Okay. Alexa, what is slime?
According to Wikipedia, mucus is a slippery aqueous secretion produced by and covering mucous membranes. It is typically produced by
Alexa,
cells.
stop! Alexa, what is slime you can play with? Alexa, how do you make slime?
According to WikiHow, to make basic slime, first mix 3/4 cups of water, 180 milliliters, with half a cup, 125
Okay, Alexa,
milliliters.
stop!
of-
She knows what slime is. I bet Siri doesn't even know who we are though.
Let's see. Siri, who is Life with Brothers?
Here's what I found.
Oh, it shows up Life with Brothers YouTube. Hi guys, it's Mary
Tell
and
her to
Izzy.
read it.
Siri, tell me who Life with Brothers is.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
Alexa! Alexa, my best
Here's Your
friend!
My Best Friend by Don Williams on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop! Alexa, stop! Alexa, stop! Alexa, my best friend, who is Life with Brothers?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Oh!
No! Alexa, who is Life with Brothers?
Here is a description of Life with Brothers, toy channel created by sisters and featuring their brothers and parents.
Oh!
The channel has over 5 million subscribers. Their most viewed videos within the first year of making content involved slime, fidget spinners, and comparing different types of Elmer's glue.
See? Alexa knows. Alexa, who's the best YouTube channel?
Life with Brothers, of course.
I bet Sarah doesn't know that. Alexa's way better.
I know. I like Alexa more too. I love you, Alexa.
She only loves me. Look, Alexa, I love you.
Thanks for saying I love you. You're just as sweet as
Pie.
pie.
You're not sweet. Okay, so it is round 2 and we have shaving cream.
And I'm gonna go first.
Wait, what are these numbered?
Go.
Wait, can I ask Alexa something?
Fine.
Alexa, should Izzy skip her turn?
Yes.
Oh, okay, but
How can you betray me like that?
Alexa, I hate you.
Alexa, can I take Mary's glue?
Yes, do it, Izzy.
Siri, pick a number 1 through 5.
That would be 4.
Oh, okay.
My toes!
You didn't even hit your toes. Thank you.
Come on, Alexa, we can do this. Alexa, pick a number 1 through 5.
Here's a number between 1 and 5. It's 1.
Oh, okay.
Dude.
Oh, okay, even better. I wanted this one. Okay. Go!
Oh,
Don't
pick a number 1 through 5.
That would be 2.
2.
Okay. Hey, Alexa, pick a number of 1 through 2.
Here's a number between 1
is
and
1
2.
and 2.
It's 1.
Oh, okay. Hey, Alexa, can I have Mary's pick?
Yes, Izzy.
Why do you want a picture of me?
Okay, you pick what you picked.
Alexa, can I trade with Izzy?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Oh! She's glitching.
Alexa, can I trade with Izzy? Are you dead, Alexa?
She doesn't want to talk to you. Just put your shaver cream in.
This is a cool gel one. Hopefully this one's actually shaving cream, guys.
Ooh, this one too.
I got a gel. I swear, that one better not be shaving cream. Because you took that from me. Okay guys, so it is round 3 and round 3 is food coloring. So, hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 6.
It's 3.
Oh, okay. I got bold food gel colors.
Okay.
Blue, white, black, and brown. Alexa, should Izzy skip her turn?
Yes.
What? Alexa!
Pick a number 1 through 6.
The answer is 6.
Oh, okay.
Alexa, pick a number 1 through 6.
Here's a number between 1 and 6. It's 2.
Oh, okay. Okay. Alexa, tell me a Yo Mama joke.
Your mother's such a trendsetter. Influencers send free stuff to her.
Oh, that's true! Okay, wait. Siri, tell me a knock knock joke.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Spell.
Spell who?
If you insist. WHO.
Bruh.
That was too easy.
Oh, I get it.
Okay, guys, so let's mix up the Siri versus Alexa slime. And I think Siri made the better choices, actually. Slime choices. No. Let's activate.
Alexa, I'm mixing my slime. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Hello.
I wouldn't recommend playing football with fungi. They're always spore losers.
Alexa, go to sleep. Alexa, tell me who Siri is.
According to Wikipedia, Siri is a virtual assistant application built into certain iOS devices. It hears what the user says and responds by web services.
I got
At
it.
first, Siri was an app in the App Store, but Apple bought the company that owned it on April 28, 2010.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's dump the slime. I can't even, this is so heavy. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! No! Oh no! Oh no, no!
Thank God you get her speaker, guys. Let's go Alexa there. Well, I kind of did. Oh my God, guys, this almost fell. Oh no! Mary!
Alexa, are you okay?
The Alexa Prize is Amazon's university competition to advance building skills known as social bots that can converse on
Alexa, be
popular
quiet!
topics such as
Alexa,
entertainment,
stop!
politics, and sports.
Alexa, stop!
Social bots are
Alexa, stop!
You broke her! Hey Siri, order me magical liquid.
I'm sorry.
That's all.
I'm sorry. Alexa, order me 20 gallons of Elmer's glue.
A top-rated choice on Amazon is Elmer's White Glue. 1 gallon bottle. It's rated 4.8 stars.
Hey,
According to an Amazon customer, high quality. and
Alexa,
great for
order it!
Your order for Elmer's Glue was
No way.
placed. It will be delivered here tomorrow. The total including tax is $19.49. If you change your
$19 for
mind,
20 gallons?
just ask me to cancel the order.
Hey Alexa, order me a punching bag.
A top result is a cotton freestanding punching bag. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Alexa, order me AirPods.
Amazon's choice is Apple AirPods.
Alexa, order it.
Your order for Apple AirPods was placed. It will be delivered here tomorrow. The total including tax is $124.62.
Alexa, cancel the AirPods.
Your last Amazon order was placed today. It has one item in it, AirPods. Would you like to cancel it?
Yes! No! Yes! No! Yes! No! Yes!
Okay, order canceled.
Alexa! Alexa, check out! Alexa, cancel! No! No!
Would you like to cancel your last order?
Yes! 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 Yes!
No.
Alexa! Alexa! Alexa, check out!
You have 22
Oh
items
my
in your
God.
Amazon cart, including foosball table, and 19 more. $8.94.
Don't-
Place your order. Say bye now.
Don't check out!
Don't tell Dad about our shopping, guys. Oh, I love Alexa.
Alexa, shut down or I'm gonna unplug you.
Show our Siri and Alexa sign. I feel like that is the color of Siri and this is the color of Alexa.
Alexa, what's your favorite color?
I like ultraviolet. It glows with everything.
Hey Siri, what's your favorite color?
Software doesn't usually get to choose one, but I'll say pink. What's yours?
Oh, purple.
That's the hardest color for the human eye to see.
Okay, Siri slime is good. Siri's really good for taking slime ingredients.
This Alexa slime is good. Okay, Alexa, I'm gonna kill you in 3, 2, 1. She died herself.
Okay, well,
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big
Big
thumbs
thumbs
up and subscribe.